guys, just wanted to show you the cheese section of this store. Thought I would show some of the refrigerated sections of the cheeses. Let's have a look around and see what they have. Okay, bocconcini, ricotta, very nice. It's a soft white cheese, very nice for your lasagna. Moving along, we have also a compliments ricotta cheese, a soft white cheese, feta cheese, there is one feta cheese that I really like that this store actually used to carry that I'm not actually finding at the moment. It's a sheep's milk feta cheese from, I think it's from Bulgaria, but I don't seem to see it. It was a really good one. I'm not a big fan of goat cheeses, but I do like sheep's milk cheese. Really, really tasty in my opinion. Let's see. Maybe they do have it. Let's look a little bit closer and see. Okay. Well, this one's cow and goat. That one might be one I might try. What do you think? What have you tried? What kind of feta cheeses do you like? And bocconcinis? Feel free to share in the comments below. And thanks once again for watching my videos. I appreciate all the views and subscriptions and likes, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Toodles!